I'm going to review the Thermaltake Glacier i350 Prebuilt Gaming Desktop PC. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this pre-built gaming PC for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Today, we have an absolute beast to dive into, the Thermaltake Glacier i350 Gaming Desktop. Whether you're a seasoned gamer, a creative professional, or just someone who loves a powerful PC, this machine has something special to offer. So let's get into it. The Thermaltake Glacier i350 comes packed with an Intel Core i5-12400F processor, perfect for balancing performance and efficiency. This 6-core CPU is more than capable of handling your everyday tasks, and when it's time to game, it kicks things into high gear. Paired with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM running at 3600 MHz, this PC ensures smooth multitasking and responsive gameplay. And for those who love stunning visuals, this machine features the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card. With 8 gigabytes of VRAM, it's perfect for 1080p gaming, allowing you to enjoy the latest AAA games with incredible detail and smooth frame rates. You'll experience vibrant colors and crisp graphics, making your gaming sessions truly immersive. But this PC isn't just for gamers. If you're into content creation, the 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD provides lightning-fast load times and ample storage for all your files, videos, and projects. Plus, with 4 memory slots available, you have room to expand and customize your rig to meet your evolving needs. One of my favorite features of the Thermaltake Glacier i350 is its design. Check out this swing door tempered glass with magnetic mounting. Not only does it look stunning, but it also gives you easy access to your components. And the full-length PSU cover ensures your cables are neatly tucked away, giving your setup a clean, professional look. And let's not forget the RGB. The ToughRAM Z1 3600 MHz 16 GB RGB memory lights up your rig with a spectacular display of colors. It's not just about aesthetics. These high-performance RAM sticks ensure your system runs smoothly even under heavy loads. In terms of connectivity, you're well covered with 3 display ports, 1 HDMI, USB 3.0, and 2.0 ports, and dedicated headphone and mic ports. Whether you're setting up a multi-monitor configuration or plugging in all your peripherals, this PC has got you covered. Users are raving about the Thermaltake Glacier i350. They love its temperature management, quality build, and speedy performance. Many have mentioned how it stays cool even during intense gaming sessions, and the amazing RGB lighting that enhances their gaming experience. Of course, no product is perfect, and it's important to consider the downsides too. A few users have noted that while the PC's performance is fantastic for 1080p gaming, if you're looking to push into 1440p or higher, you might need to consider upgrading the GPU down the line. Also, there's a small concern about some pre-installed software that can feel like unnecessary advertisements. But honestly, these are minor setbacks, considering the overall value you get. So, who is the Thermaltake Glacier i350 for? It's for the gamer who wants a reliable, high-performing system that looks as good as it performs. It's for the creative who needs speed and efficiency in their workflows. And it's for anyone who wants a desktop that they can rely on for both work and play without breaking the bank. If you're ready to elevate your gaming and computing experience, check out the links in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.